Here I have VODAFONE Smart E8, and let me show you how to activate the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you should tap on More, and now go to Tethering and Portable Hotspot. Now simply by tapping on this switcher, you can enable your portable Wi-Fi hotspot. So since now it's active, if you would like to set up your Wi-Fi hotspot, just tap on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot, and now you can change your network name and also the password. So if you would like to change the name, tap on the current one and delete it. And then enter the one that you would like to have. Once it's typed, just tap on Save. And then go back, and if you would like to change the password, just tap on the password, but firstly tap on Show Password to see what your password is, and then delete the current one and enter a new one. You just have to remember that your password must have at least 8 characters. So once it's done, just tap on Save. And that's it. Your portable hotspot is on, and your name, network name and password have been changed. If you would like to switch off your portable hotspot, just tap on the same switcher as in the beginning. And now portable hotspot is off. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.